Imagine a sleek autonomous drone gliding across the surface of a lake, quietly at work. This is the algae harvesting drone, cutting-edge device designed to collect algae and other beneficial microbes from lakes, rivers, and ponds. Using advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, the drone identifies areas where algae are most densely concentrated. It then skims the water surface, efficiently gathering the biomass without disturbing the delicate aquatic ecosystem. This innovative approach not only helps manage algae populations but also opens up new possibilities for sustainable resource use. Let's explore how this technology is changing the way we interact with our environment. Once the drone collects the algae, the real transformation begins. The harvested biomass isn't just waste, it's a valuable resource. Algae can be processed into nutritional products like food supplements, or even serve as precursors for biofuels. This means that what was once considered a nuisance in our waterways can now contribute to both food production and clean energy. The drone's precise harvesting ensures that only the right amount is collected, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. This seamless integration of environmental monitoring and resource utilization highlights the potential of biotechnology and automation in creating a more sustainable future. Algae harvesting drone is more than just a gadget. It's a symbol of how smart technology can drive sustainability. By leveraging automation, AI, and biotechnology, the system addresses environmental challenges while creating practical benefits. Managing algae populations helps prevent harmful overgrowth, which can damage water quality and biodiversity. At the same time, it turns potential environmental problems into opportunities for innovation and resource generation. This approach demonstrates how thoughtful design and advanced technology can work hand in hand to protect our planet and support human needs. As we look to the future, solutions like this will play a key role in environmental management and sustainable development.